Last two, lesson number 2, Mithu Aur kaura. Mithu is a tota, Mithu is a tota, parrot, and kaura is a crow. Kaura is a crow, is a kawa. Say kawa or kawe, crow. So these are the lesson. This is a picture lesson. Picture lessons is the lesson teaches to understand, to do the work with the understandings. So the Mithu is the tota parrot, live in that people trees, live in the banyan trees. The tree is a big trees, but that fruits are very small and essentialless, juicy less. But the crow live in that mango trees. Mango trees compared than banyan trees, it is a small trees, but it has that juicy mangoes. So the Mithu tota is surrounding for the food and find out the trees, the mango trees, and try to sit on the trees and taste the mangoes. At times the crow is take away the parrot, because the crow said it is my trees and the fruits also be mine. So I won't allow you to eat the mangoes. So the parrot is saying, move away from the mango trees, the gardens, and it's found the one balloon in the ground. And then it's take up the balloons and again it's back to that crow. Meet the crows and ask that we both together play with this balloon, gubbares. But the crow is initially understand this is a big fruit and it's try to taste it. Then the parrot says it's not a fruit, it is a balloon, it's a toy. We gather to play it. So while both are playing, it's suddenly blasted. The fruit, the gubbare balloon is blasted. Then the crow is start to scared, afraid. Then parrot says, don't afraid. Then both become a friend and share the fruits and stay happily. So this is a lesson. Now we go to the book exercise. First, once we read the meanings. Tiki, horse. Tiki, horse sound. Horse, very hard sound. Very hard horse sound. The crow's voice are very hoarse. Dubara, second time. Dubara, second time. Chet means full. The chet means terrace. Chet means terrace. This is chet means whole. Rasila means juicy. So kawa, crow, tota, parrot, people, banyan, maidan, ground, kubara, balloon, kilauna, tie. So now come to the question answer. There is no place, so I move to that white screen. Kaura Mithu ko kyo baha rahe? Baha ragana means take off. Why the crows took away the Mithu? Because क्योंकि पेड़ कौरा की है, because it's the tree is crows. The tree is belongs to crows. Mithu kubara लेकर क्यों आया होगा? Why the Mithu bring a kubaras to come against. Mithu कौरा को खुश करके आम खाने की इच्छा से कुबारा लाया होगा. It's may bring a kubaras. The Mithu bring a kubaras again to the meet crows to make her happy, eat and taste the mangoes and taste the mango. Mithu कौरा को खुश करके आम खाने की इच्छा से कुबारा लाया होगा. Second question answer. समझ से काम करने से क्या होता है? What's happened by do the work with the understandings? We away the difficulties. समझ से काम करने से कठिनाइयों को दूर कर सकते हैं. We can away the difficulties where we understand to do the work. Next written answer. Mithu kaha रहता है? Where the Mithu staying? So instead of this kaha means where. Instead of this kaha, we write the people trees. People trees, banyan trees. Kaha, people की पेड़ में. People की पेड़ में. In the sentence, you write like that. Mithu people के पेड़ पर रहता था. People के पेड़ पर रहता था. So next one, पक्का आम देखकर मीठू ने क्या सोचा? पक्का means right. Rip mangoes. What the Mithu think when see that rip mangoes? पक्का आम देखकर मीठू ने खाने की सोची. Well, Mithu think see the rip mangoes. It's think to eat it. Think to eat, taste it. कुब्बारा देखकर कौवा ने क्या समझा? What the crow understand? Well, see the balloons. Well, see the balloons. समझा, understand. कुब्बारा देखकर कौवा ने समझा उसे कौवा ने उसे एक फल समझा. Well, crow see the balloons. It think it also be one fruit. It also be one type of fruit. And choose the correct answer. Mithu ने पेड़ पर क्या देखा? What did the Mithu see on the trees? It see that rip mangoes. Narangi means it. Fruits. Sandara means orange. Orange also be one kind of citrus fruit. Shape orange shape. उड़ते समय मीठू ने मैदान में क्या देखा? What did the Mithu see on the ground? Well, it's flying. It see the balloons. Khilona, toy, mango or mango. Mithu kaunta. One word answer. Mithu kaunta. Who was the Mithu? Mithu is the parrot. Tota. Kaura kaunta. Who was the kaura? Kaura is the crow. Lucky. Say kaura, kawa or kawe. Kawa की आवाज कैसी थी? How was the crow's sound? Its sound is a thicky, harsh. First meaning is we read no. That's one thicky, harsh sound. आपकी कक्षा में नए साथी आएगा तो आप क्या करेंगे? What will you do when we in your class have that new friend? So put that when I ask that his name, I will ask that his names. I will introduce to other friends. We play together and we wandering through the schools. So these are that one. हम उसे बात नहीं करेंगे. If we won't talk with him, that's not a good manners. These all things you put that smiley face. उसका नाम पूछेंगे. We inquire his names. विद्यालय घुमाएंगे means wandering, roaming, and roam. अन्य मित्रों से परिचय करेंगे. Intro to other friends. मिलकर खेलेंगे. Gather to play. Next one. आपके पड़ोसी के घर में नारंगी का पेड़ गई. Your neighbor house have that नारंगी trees. And उसकी एक डाली आपके घर में भी आ रही थी. One of the branch. It's one of the branch. डाली means a branch. One of its branch is in your house side. Towards your house side. आप नारंगी लेना चाहते हैं. You pick the नारंगी. Then what will you do? First one, चुपचाप नारंगी तोड़ लेंगे. फिर pluck the नारंगी silently. No, it's not a good things. पड़ोसी से मांगेंगे. We excuse me. We ask to the neighbors. Yes, we ask to neighbors. तोड़कर फिर उनके बताएंगे. We pluck that. Then we'll tell to them. It's not a good one. पड़ोसी से पूछेंगे. We ask to पड़ोसी neighbors. झगड़ा करेंगे. We fight to neighbors. It's not a good. तोड़कर उनके दे देंगे. We pluck and then give to them. That also good ones. एक से अनेक बनावोस. So similar to plurals. Kubara, kubare. Kubara, kubare balloon, balloons. Kawa, kavve, kawa, kavve. Avaz, avazin. Dal, darling. Sage, saging. Sage, saging. Bada, chota, small. Akka, just now we know that's red. So kacha, kacha, rav, kacha, rav. You already know the bacha, bacha child. In this bacha, in the ball, first call you write it kacha, kacha means rav. Yaha, baha, or there. नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर अपसाइड एक सिंगल अनेक प्लूरल अनेक प्लूरल्स उतरना टेक अप और गेट अप गेट डाउन चढ़ना क्लाइम